In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony XM4 to multiple devices. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sony headphones have a feature called multi-point connection. As the name suggests, this connection allows you to use it on multiple different devices simultaneously. In order to set this up, you will need the Sony Sound Connect application. So sadly, you do need to download an additional application on your mobile device. From there, you will be able to manage the multi-point connection feature. In this example, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect it to an iPhone and a MacBook. But of course, you can use the same steps to connect the Sony headphones to any other devices simultaneously. So to start, go ahead and set the Bluetooth pairing mode. I'm going to assume that most people will want to connect them wirelessly over Bluetooth. So to do this, press and hold the dedicated Bluetooth button or the power button, depending on the model that you have. For the XM4, it is going to be this button here. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the devices where you are going to be using it. And then, as long as you press and hold this Bluetooth button, it is going to appear under the list of discoverable nearby devices. So make sure that you connect the Sony headphones to each of these devices at least once. Don't worry if it gets connected from the first or the second one. That is okay. Now, once it is properly connected at least once to each of these devices, open the Sony Sound Connect application. As I've said, it is available for the Google Play Store and the App Store. Inside of this app, you will be taught how to register your Sony XM4, and once it is connected and registered into the application, you will have some options at the top. What you have to do is go over to System, and you will find the option right here, Connect to two devices simultaneously. So all that you have to do now is enable this option, and upon enabling this, multi-point connection will be usable on your XM4s. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony XM4 to multiple devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.